we're here a very long time, everyone. Is there definitely a thingamajig in there? Look at you, straight. He knows his way around it, doesn't he?
If you get rid of the...
What? It's already worked out theory! You're already stacking them in as if you know what...
Well, no, I'm just trying to get to the instructions.
Oh, right.
Let's make it look like this, because then we're not going to go wrong.
That's what I was trying to do, Thomas, isn't it?
It's a play about a couple who build a flat pack son, and as the play develops, they realize you begin to understand that they had a previous son who was maybe less than perfect, and as you watch, it becomes a meditation on what it is to be a perfect son or a perfect parent.
Yeah, so we're smashing it. So where's that thin plank?
Okay. I can't get this motherfucker out, unfortunately.
Which one?
But maybe it doesn't matter.
Would you try?
No, actually, I don't think it.
Why does it even need to come out?
No, I don't think it, because we. Yeah, no, actually, it doesn't. No, it doesn't actually. I think. There we go. Part of the satire is about the
You wrote it.
yeah, the simplicity of this kind of stuff, and juxtaposing that with the complexity of what goes into making a person's psyche. You know, what goes into making you who you are is not quite as simple as this.
I've got a funny feeling you might have made an error.
That and
So in that
lamb.
comparison, yeah, however much pressure you put on something, or however much you carefully read the instructions or are aware of the world around you. Humans are humans and they're messy things.
Oh, hang on, love. No, I just called Hamish love. Parenting, for me, it's really more about how you become yourself, how you become a person. What influences have you been given? You know, is it possible for you to escape the sort of influences that you've been built into, or you've been born into? Do you want to do the ones down there?
Oh, thanks so much, Mum.
Do you just tell me if these little half circles go at the top or the bottom?
Oh, the half circles go at the top.
Actually, this hasn't been planned, but this is as happens in the play. You know, the dream of the product is kind of coming apart a little bit in our in our hands.
I love, isn't it? Oh, nice.
Yeah. Okay. Oh no! Careful!